So welcome back guys. Now following or continuing from the previous lecture video, now I will show you that for this network topology, how does the routing table entry for destination 192.168.0.2, which is the loopback address of the router B, looks like, right? So this is the table which shows that how does the routing table entry for this destination IP address looks like in the routing table of each node of the topology. So for example, in the routing table of node S, this routing table entry would have two ECMP next hops with the cost 7. So again, these routing table entries are installed in the routing table of each device of the topology so that the basic routing table properties are followed, that is least cost, loop free and ECMP wherever possible. Similarly, in the routing table of the device A, the routing table entry to reach the device B would have next hop Ethernet 1 to the gateway IP address 3.3.3.3, right? Similarly, D would like to reach the router B via this path, and therefore it has a next hop entry which dictates the router D to forward the traffic to the next hop C in order to reach B. And the same goes with the router C. And of course the router B don't need any outgoing interface and gateway IP address in order to reach its own IP address, right? Such type of entries are called local routing table entries. So each router uses its own routing table entry for destination 192.168.0.2 in order to forward the traffic as per the next hop which is tied to that entry in the routing table. So this completes our basic discussions about routing table and routing table entries.